Hi everyone, I'm Aman Srivastava, Production Manager of LG Reactor Oxygen Generator under Green Earth. The world we live in today. Before 1980s, air quality index was not a major issue. We don't need to think about these kind of things before 1980s. Now, this is the major issue, and now we all are worried about the quality of air we breathe. They're concerned about us and our future generations. Like COVID-19 is hitting us very hard, and now we have to wear a mask. If we'll not take necessary actions in future, there will be need to carry oxygen cylinder with us. The problem we are solving here is we are maintaining the air quality by reducing the air quality index below level 70. This is the data for Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai after lockdown, which is very, very bad. And air quality affects everyone, like rich or poor, old or young, man or woman. It affects everyone. We need to solve this problem of air quality as soon as possible because air quality directly affects the total lifespan of the living being. Any kind of human, any kind of animal is dependent on air. So we have to solve this issue. This is the basic average of New Delhi's air quality from August, September, October, and November, which is not below than 250, which is very bad. This is our solution. This is a wonderful solution called algae reactor oxygen generator AROG, which is used to maintain the AQI level below 70 with the help of cyanobacteria blue-green algae. The handling of AROG is very, very simple. It's like an RO system. AROG is an industry-grade product which can be used at public places and in industry to maintain the AQI level and control global warming. What we do, we pump the air in the AROG and the sensor value of O2 and AQI got synchronized, and then O2 balanced the AQI, or then after that the fresh oxygen released in the air and can be stored for the further uses. The whole system needs to generate the whole system need a power supply of 220 volt, 230 volt 50 because we need to maintain the temperature of algae below 25 degree. When the color of algae changes to dark black, the AI system of RO will notify you to change the algae. Put the used algae water in the plant so that they can work as a fertilizer. Purchase the blue-green algae from the market, which is easily available, and then again put it in the CO2 scrubber that is being shown here as in two beakers. How we are going to market this product, as we know that almost every industry is creating air pollution. AROG has CO2 scrubber who holds the algae to generate oxygen. Size of our AROG differ accordingly to the size that's going to be covered by this, like number of scrubber increases and decreases. Oxygen that is being generated from AROG can also be stored and can be used to in medical purpose. Potential target customer, the industry that is producing air pollution, hospitals, public places, government places, bus stands and railways can be one of the potential customers. We have developed two products, one with the cost of 1,15,000 rupees and one with the cost of 1,65,000 rupees. Now, how far we have come? We have collaborated with two big organizations. One is Black Eye Technologies Private Limited for the development of the system, and for the data collaboration and the technical specification, we have collaborated with the City University of Ludhiana. We have done the basic test and developed the working lab model. We have formalized the working principle of RO, and we have done two unpaid pilots in Ludhiana. This is the working principle, a paper published on 20th of May 2020, which says that this is the engineered algae which is called cyanobacteria or cyanophyta that can be used to generate oxygen, and we have successfully done that. Now our competition is Dyson and Cleanen, and our system is anyway better than that because it's a natural system. Well, I'll tell you one very interesting fact about algae is that 77.8% of the total world's oxygen is being produced by the algae which are present on the surface of the oceans. We want to import that kind of environment into the metro cities to maintain the AQI of ours so that the natural photosynthesis can be done in the metro cities. It is an artificial intelligence system which is there is no need for interference of any human effort. Now, people says that technology has ruined the nature. We are working with the vision of let the technology heal the nature. Our vision is to restore the AQI level, which will be beneficial for the whole population. Sorry. And implementation of AROG is like 15% rule. We will be implementing this on the 15%, and rest 85% will automatically get benefited from this. Now, this is our action plan. The product finalization will be done in the first quarter, and with the data collaboration part also. The product development of first 10 pieces and for the first 10 potential customer that they're already demanding this device from us, that will be done between first and second quarter. Marketing and the collaborations will be done in the two segments, B2B and B2G. After that, we'll go for the sales and updates. This is the first 3 quarters in this year. This is the team, including Samarjit Singh, Dr. Parul Thapa, Anjali Srivastava, me, and Mr. Arvinder Singh. Sustainability, as we are looking for the air quality, that's why we are going to create a great reliable environment, a gift to metro cities where there will be no need to wear masks. Green Earth will be continuously researching and manufacturing in the sector of healing the nature with the help of technology. After winning this competition, and hopefully we will win this competition, we will definitely going for some of the tests under the pollution control board. We will be expanding the team and research. We will be stabilizing a fully functional lab with the microbiology and AIG, and we will try to understand and develop and innovate more and trying to understand the relation between technology and the living organism. Thank you so much, guys. At the last, I'd like to add only two things. That the thing that only matters, it's what we've left in inheritance for the next generation. It's not the money, it's not the material, it's not the asset. It's the natural resources that we will be going to leave for them, so that the coming generation should make us remember for that what a beautiful world our ancestor had made for us. Thank you so much, guys.